Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CGC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, then it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this analysis quite a few times, did it on Friday, but I just got rid of all those annotations because none of them pertain anymore after today's movement because, today was just such a monster price movement. So we'll just start over again. And always a good problem, though, when you have to just delete out all the previous annotations because they're not really relevant anymore. And that was the case here. But so starting over as far as supports and, one of the newest areas of support and what I would call the ideal, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the best going forward? If the price can stay up above $55.50, that would be a huge sign of power. With that being said, if the price falls below it, by no means does that imply the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, that would be the first level of support to keep an eye on. Next level after that would be this bottom portion of this consolidation area right down there around the $54 mark. If $54 cannot hold, the next overall level of support I would be keeping an eye on would be right around $52. So going into tomorrow, these will be the levels that I'll be watching. I did trade this one today, but from a disclosure perspective, I don't own any position in it now. I got rid of all my shares by the close, but I definitely will be, watching to trade this one tomorrow. Again, and these will be some of the levels that I am paying attention to. If you just care about more so the big picture of it all, the easiest way to gauge the health or lack thereof of the general price movement is via that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to, like I said, gauge the health of the move. As long as the price stays above, and that line, or that right there being defined as quote-unquote the move. But as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, this is essentially at all-time highs. So at this point, it's a question of more so just looking for pullbacks and such, and monitoring how the price reacts around areas of support. But yeah, great way to start off the week. Still 4 days left. So yeah, let's see how this one continues to play out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.